Alright, this is the elevator here at the Macy store at Colonie Center Mall in Albany, New York. I don't know if that lantern works or not. Yep. Alright, let's go up to 3. It doesn't light up. Sorry if it shakes. Go down to 1. Sorry for talking over the motor. I like how they have lanterns on both sides of the doors. It's your basic Macy's elevator. I believe this store used to be Filene's or Sibley's, but I don't know. If anybody knows what this store was originally, please let me know in the comments below. Now I'll take another ride. Hate to say it, but this thing's not very well maintained. There is non-ADA compliant phone. Alright, here we go. Three works. Now I'll go down to 2 and then the tour. See if the classic levels are data. Nope, plot leveling. And it will close up. Come on. Any day now. There it goes, and that is it.